Zoe, come on. She looks actually scared. So Zoe has grown up so much this year. We are not a little girl anymore. Yes. Sorry. Cheyenne, you come out and sit down.
Yeah, go. I'm up high.
So we are all very, very proud of Zoe. And it's really true what they say about a village raising a child, because so many people in this school have helped you grow up this year. Yeah, big girl. Now you are almost, I was little, I was this big, and now this big.
She does boy?
You boy?
I'm a boy.
So now she is almost a first grader. Wow.
Nice.
And I'm almost a fifth. I'm a third grader. I'm almost a third grader on June 15th.
Yeah.
Woo!
Thank you.
Okay, so our next graduate